Welcome back to my channel. This is Mariviki, the biyahirang disdak sa Norway. Once again, thank you so much for tuning in to my channel. And to all my subscribers and supporters, a huge thanks to you for supporting me in so many ways. And if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe, hit the bell button, and press all for you to be updated. In today's vlog guys, I'm gonna share to you on how to cook homemade succulent chicken enchiladas.
Here are the ingredients: mozzarella cheese, cheddar cheese, chicken cube, brown sugar, chopped garlic, chopped onions, coriander, chopped chicken, tomato paste, salt, oregano, pepper powder, cumin powder, garlic powder, chili powder, paprika powder, olive oil, and tortilla. Add 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, paprika powder, garlic powder, chili powder, salt to taste, and pepper powder. Mix it thoroughly. Make sure all condiments are merged properly. After mixing, cover it for 20 minutes. In a preheated pan, put a few drops of olive oil and saute the garlic and onions until it becomes golden brown. Then place the marinated chopped chicken. Stir it. Cover the pan for 5 minutes. Then stir it again. Cover it again for another 5 minutes. Guys, it's done and it's perfectly cooked. I'm gonna set aside this first. Preparing for the sauce. In the same pan, put a few drops of olive oil. Saute the garlic and onion. Add 1 teaspoon of oregano, 1/2 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, paprika powder, cumin powder, and pepper powder. Mix it together. Then add tomato paste, 2 cups of water, Add 1/2 teaspoon of brown sugar, 1/2 chicken cube, and salt to add taste. Let it boil for 3 minutes. Get ready for the enchiladas baking tray. Put the sauce in the baking tray and spread it. Get an extra plate. Put the sauce as well and spread it. Place the tortilla and put the sauce into it. Then outspread the sauce. Place the chicken. Put the cheddar cheese and mozzarella cheese as well. Then roll the tortilla and put it to the baking tray. Repeat the procedure to the remaining mixture. Once you've done placing the filling, outspread the cheddar cheese and add on the sauce as well. Then overlay the mozzarella cheese. Put or add cheddar and mozzarella cheese as many as you want. In a preheated oven, place the baking tray. Set the timer for 15 minutes and set the oven to 200 degrees. When it is done, sprinkle the coriander for garnishing. Thank you for watching. See you again on my next video. Bye!